Hi guys! For today's video ay gagawa tayo ulit ng isang tutorial na kung saan ay i-demonstrate ko kung paano gumawa ng isang realistic na rose. Pero ito guys ay isang napakalaki guys. So ang gagawin natin is yung medium na size. So yung pattern nito guys ay ilalagay ko na lang sa description box below kung gusto nyo gumawa ng ganito kalaking rose. Ayan. So this is only an example. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa. So let's go guys! So here guys is gagawa tayo ng small na petal. Ang gamit natin is yung pink. Ayan. So medyo darker na pink. And yung medium na petals naman is itong medyo lighter pero peach naman to guys. And then yung large petals naman is white. Ayan. So gagawa tayo ng isang bonggang-bonggang rose na realistic. And for our leaves naman guys is ito. Yan. So, lighter na green ang ating gagamitin for today's video. And of course, gagamit tayo ng hook. Yan. Favorite ko na hook number 3. Ayan. So, number 3 and of course, yung ating marker para hindi tayo mawala sa ating crochet. So, let's go guys. Let's start. So, unang ating gagawin ay gagawa tayo ng magic ring. So, ikot yung yarn and then insert natin yung hook sa yarn and then kunin natin yung yarn para maging chain 1. Ayan. And after which guys is single crochet. Ayan. So insert and then grab. So insert and then grab and then grab. So yan po yung single crochet. So gawa tayo ng 5 na ganito guys in the magic ring. Alright. So, 4. Yan. And then, huwag kalimutang bilangin para hindi po tayo malito. Pagkatapos ay hilain yung tail. Ayan. So, next row naman is increase. So, dalawang single crochet sa isang loop. So, single crochet. Ayan. And then, another single crochet sa isang loop. Okay? So, that is the increase. So, huwag kalimutang maglagay ng hook or ng marker para hindi malito. So, another increase, single crochet, and then single crochet in one loop. Ayan. So, meron na tayong 2 increase. So, next, single crochet. Ayan. So, gawin na lang natin, guys, hanggang matapos yung row 2. Okay. Let's go, guys. So, next is yung round 3. Ang gawin natin is single crochet and increase. Meaning, single crochet sa first na loop. So, don't forget the marker. Ayan. And next is increase. So, dalawang single crochet sa isang loop. Ayan. So, next na loop ay single crochet again. And then, next is increase. So, meaning dalawang single crochet. So, gawin lahat or gawin natin yan sa round 3 hanggang matapos yung round 3. So, let's go guys! So, next is yung round 4, meaning or ang gagawin natin dito sa round 4 ay single crochet sa first na loop. So, don't forget the marker. Ayan. And then, next one is increase na tayo. Ayan. So, mag-increase tayo. Dalawang single crochet sa loop. And then, another single crochet on the next one. So, ganun po ang pattern sa row 4. Ayan. Single crochet. And then, increase. And then, single crochet. Ayan. So, gawin natin hanggang sa matapos yung row 4. Let's go, guys! So, dito na tayo sa round 5. Ang gagawin natin is 3 na single crochet and increase. So, single crochet. Ayan, don't forget to mark. Sabi nila mark. And then next single crochet. And then next single crochet. And then increase na tayo sa pang-apat na loop. Ayan. And then next na naman, single crochet. 1, 2 na single crochet. And then 3, pang third na single crochet. And then increase na sa next na loop. Okay? So, gawin na lang natin hanggang matapos yung row 5. Let's go, guys! So, dito naman sa row 6 ay gagawa tayo ng 9 na single crochet. Ayan, so ito na yung first na single crochet. Huwag kalimutan yung hook para hindi tayo malito mga kaibigan. And then 2, and then 3, and then 4, ayan, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8, and then 9. So, huwag kalimutang bilangin para hindi po tayo malito sa bilangan. Okay? Ayan. So, bilang-bilang. And then, next, ang nagagawin natin is half double crochet increase. So, ikot sa next loop. Ayan. And then, hugutin diretso. And another half double crochet. So, ikot lang minsan and then hugutin ng yarn and then hugutin ng yarn. After which, guys, is half double crochet on the next one. Okay? So, ikot and then insert and then grab the yarn. Ayan. So, next na gagawin is half double crochet increase. So, meaning dalawang half double crochet sa other loop or same loop. And then, one single or one half double crochet na naman. Okay? Ayan. And then, next is mag-i-increase tayo. So, yung pattern na half double crochet increase on one and then half double crochet on the other is 3 beses po natin gagawin. Ayan. So, huwag kalimutang bilang-bilangin para hindi po tayo malito. Okay? So, after which ay 10 na single crochet. So, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and then 7, 8, 9, and then, oops, and then 10. Okay? So, ayan na guys, ang ating row 6. Alright? So, sa row 7 naman is basically 9 na single crochet. So, 1, the marker, ayan, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. Ayan. And then, 8 na double crochet increase. So, meaning is ikot, isang ikot, and then insert sa next na loop, and then hugutin minsan, and then hugutin on the second time around. So, ikot again, and then insert, and then kunin yung yarn, and then kunin yung yarn. Ayan. So, 8 na, or 8 times na ganun, guys. So, don't forget na 8 double crochet or 1 double crochet in 1 loop. Okay? So, bilangin natin yun, guys, para hindi tayo malito. And then, gawin natin yun, guys, 8 times. Okay? So, kita-kita lang tayo pagkatapos ng 8 na double crochet increase. Let's go, guys! So after which is 11 na single crochet. So 1 and then 2 and then 3, 4, 5, 6, so dito na tayo sa last part. So mag slip stitch lang tayo. Ayan. And then chain 3. So 2 and then 3. So baliktarin natin and then double increase or double crochet increase. So hugutin ang yarn and then paikot, insert. And then kunin ang yarn and then kunin ang yarn and then double crochet sa another loop or sa next loop natin. Okay? So hugutin ang yarn, ayan, and then magkakat na tayo ng yarn. So that's the end of our small petal. So gawa lang tayo guys ng 4 na ganire. Okay? So punta na tayo sa next na ating gagawin, ang medium na petal. Let's go! So dito naman sa medium petal, ang row 1 to row 5 ay parehas lang sa ginawa natin sa small petal. So next na row natin gagawin is yung row 6. So ang row 6 guys is 2 single crochet and increase and another 2 single crochet on the next na loop. So double crochet na dito since natapos yung 2 single crochet and then 2 single crochet 1 and then 2 and another 2 single crochet. So 1 and then 2 and then increase na naman. So 1 and 2, so dalawang single crochet sa isang loop and then 1, tig-isa na naman dito and then 2 and then another 2 na naman. So, tapusin na natin hanggang sa matapos ang row 6. Let's go, guys! So, next naman ay ang row 7. So, row 7, 4 single crochet sa 4 na loop. Ayan, so 1. So, don't forget the marker. And then 2. And then 3. And then 4. So, here na guys is half double crochet increase sa next loop natin. So, 1 half double crochet and another half double crochet in 1 loop. And then another half double crochet on the next na loop or on the next 6 loops. So, 1 and then 2 on the next one. And then 3. Ayan. And then 4. And then 5, and then 6. So, gawa lang tayo guys ng tatlong ganito. So, half double crochet increase on the next one. Ayan, and another 6 na half double crochet. So, pagkatapos guys is half double crochet increase. Ayan. And then 4 single crochet na. So, 3 and then 4 single crochet para matapos na natin ang row 7. Ayan. So, ayan. Tapos ng ating row 7. So, next is ang ating row 8. So, ang row 8 is mag-chain 1 or mag 2 chain tayo pero mag slip stitch muna tayo, alright? So slip stitch muna tayo and then 2 chain 1 and then 2 and after which guys is 5 na double crochet. So ikot and then same na loop Ayan, and grab mo yung yarn 2 beses. Okay, so 1 double crochet na yan. So gawa tayo ng 5. 2, and then another double crochet on the next loop. Ayan, and then next double crochet. So last na. Ayan, last, and then sa next 10 loop ay double crochet increase na, meaning 2 double crochet sa isang loop. Ayan, so first na double crochet and then another one. Ayan, so ganyan lang guys sa next na 10 loop natin. Okay, so gawa tayo ng 10 or double crochet increase sa next na 10 loop. Let's go guys. So, after guys ng 10 na double crochet increase, ay gagawa tayo ng isang double crochet increase na naman. So, ito na yung pang 11. Ayan. And after which guys, ay mag-chain 3 tayo para makagawa tayo ng picot. Okay? So, 2. And, dito sa may pinakababa, ayan, ay insert natin yung hook and then grab the yarn and then grab the yarn. Ayan, so ito na yung picot natin. And then another double crochet increase sa next na stitch natin. Ayan, so 1 and then another 1. Alright. So, after which guys is another 10 na double crochet increase na naman ang ating gagawin. So, same on the other side yung ating pattern. So, 2 double crochet increase sa isang stitch. Ayan. So, 2. And then, on the next one, ayan. So, tatapusin lang natin guys hanggang matapos yung ating 10 na double crochet increase. Let's go! So, dito naman guys, ay gawan natin ng 7 na double crochet. So, 1, and then 2, and then hanggang matapos yung row 8. Okay? So, pagkatapos guys, ay slip stitch natin dito. Ayan. So, slip stitch natin and gawa tayo ng 3 na chain. So, 1, 2, and then 3. And then, ikot natin or turn natin yung petal. And then, gawa tayo ng double crochet increase. So, 1. Ayan. And then, another 1. Sa same na stitch. Ayan. And then, double crochet sa next na stitch. Ayan. And then, after which, guys, is ikat na natin yung yarn. Okay? So, gawa tayo ng ganito, guys. 4 na ganito ulit. Okay? So, sa large naman tayo guys. So, ang pattern is from row 1 to row 6 ay same with the medium na petal. Alright? So, nakagawa na tayo. So, let's move on to the row 7. So, sa row 7 naman natin ay 5 na single crochet and increase. So, 1. And then, lagyan natin ng marker of course. Mas lalo na to kasi mas malaki. So, next ay single crochet. So, second. And then third. and then 4, ayan, and then 5, and then mag-i-increase na tayo. So, dalawang single crochet sa isang stitch. Ayan. So, gawin lang natin guys hanggang sa matapos yung row 7. Let's go! Pagkatapos yun guys ay mag slip stitch tayo para gawa tayo ng 2 na chain. So 2 na chain, and after which guys is 5 na half double crochet. So half double crochet, grab the yarn here diretso guys, huwag kayo malito. So another 1 half double crochet, so 2, and then 3 on the next stitch, and then 4 on the next stitch, and then 5 on the next stitch. Ayan, pagkatapos nun guys is half double crochet increase na. So meaning half na double crochet sa dalawang half double crochet sa isang stitch. Okay? So 1, and then another 1, so 2. Ayan, and pagkatapos nun guys is tatlong half double crochet on the next na 3 stitch. Okay, so next stitch 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then yung half double crochet increase na naman. Okay, so ganyan lang ang pattern guys. Gawa tayo ng 6 na ganun guys. So kung pansin nyo may marker dyan para hindi na tayo malitong magbilang kung ilan ang ating natapos. Let's go! So pagkatapos guys, pagkatapos ng ating half double crochet increase and tatlong half double crochet, ay mag half double crochet increase na naman tayo. Ayan. So 1 half double crochet or increase, mag-increase tayo ulit, and after which is 5 na half double crochet. Okay, sa another 5. So same as with on the other side guys, yung ating ginawa kanina. Okay? So, half double crochet and another half double crochet. So, after which is mag-slip stitch na tayo. Ayan, slip stitch. And pagkatapos ay mag-chain 3 tayo. Okay? So, 1, and then 2, and then 3. Ayan. So, after which is 6 na double crochet naman ang ating gagawin, guys. Okay? So, ikot natin yung yarn, and then, same stitch ang ating pag-insertan, and then, dalawang hugot ng yarn. Okay? So, 6 na ganito, guys. So, 2. Ayan. And then, 3. And then 4, and then 5. Ayan. Oh, 6, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, after which, guys, is 14 na double crochet increase ang ating gagawin. Okay, so 1. Okay, don't forget the marker para hindi tayo malito kung saan tayo nag-umpisa ng increase. So, another double crochet sa isang loop, and then 1, and then another 1. So, increase dalawang double crochet sa isang stitch natin. So, don't forget, okay? So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng 14 na ganyan. So, bilangin po natin. So, kita-kita lang tayo after yung 14 na double crochet increase. Let's go, guys! So, pagkatapos guys, ay magdo-double crochet tayo dito. Magdo-double crochet increase. Ayan, sa dalawang double crochet. Ayan, and then, mag-chain 3 tayo. Okay? So, don't forget yung chain 3. 1, 2, and then 3. And then, insert natin sa pinakaunang stitch. Ayan, grab the yarn, and then another grab the yarn. Oops, nawawala sa screen, sorry. And then another double crochet increase on the next stitch natin. Okay, so ayan guys, grab the yarn again, and then another double crochet sa same na loop or same na stitch, and then so yan na ang ating picot. Ayan, and another 14 double crochet increase. So, bilangin na lang natin hanggang matapos. Alright? Let's go, guys! Pagkatapos ng ating 14 double crochet increase is 6 double crochet naman. So, 1 and 2 and then 3 and then 4 and then 5 and 6, and after which I slip stitch na. Okay, so slip stitch natin and mag-chain 3 ulit tayo. So 1 and 2 and 3 and turn, and then gawa tayo ng double crochet increase. So 1 and then 2 and last. Ayan, so magawa tayo ng ganito, 4 naman, 4 na petals na large one. Okay? So, ganyan lang ang paggawa ng mga petals. So this is the part 1 of the tutorial, and sunod naman yung ating paggawa ng bud and yung leaf and then yung assembly na natin. So, see you on my next video. Bye!